going to try to get a quick cook in for you. It's rush hour right here. I'm a one-way street in and a one-way street out. But wife picked up some baby back ribs from the grocery store, and they were already cut up into singular pieces. We're going to season them up, barbecue them, and I thought this would be a great idea for Super Bowl parties, just parties alone, sort of like a finger food type thing. So let me get these opened and I'll get them seasoned up. These weren't too hateful in price. They were, let's see, 3 pounds, and they were $11.33. Our season of choice is going to be Uncle Steve's Magic Rib. Love this stuff. This is one of his ribs that's probably one of my top 5s. Absolutely love it. We're going to let that sort of like sweat in a little bit. If it can, it's only 30 degrees out here right now. I just used one of my coal baskets from the Weber kit, centered it, and I couldn't stack them up back to back if I wanted to, but one basket's plenty of heat. Alright, I'm just going to set these around the outside. Right now I'm doing bone towards the fire. And this traffic is killing me. You can tell it's a holiday. So right here we've got the Uncle Steve sauce with no name. And I've already done the other side. I sort of kind of cheated you on that, but I'm running out of daylight. And it is hard to keep this kettle up to temps when it's so daggone cold outside. And then this other side over here is the Blues Hogs Original. Alright, there you have it. I don't know how much more I'm going to be able to bring in here. I got the wood stove cranking and everything. It's pretty cold, but we're going to let them cook and we'll bring you back. Well, it's a little dark out here, but as you can see, I think your party crowd will enjoy these. I know we are. I'm sorry, I'll be right back with y'all. I dropped my remote from my camera. I tell you, I'm really a big fan of hanging ribs, but I gotta tell you, these single bone party ribs are pretty daggone good.